Sendvio Shopify tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Sendvio email marketing and SMS Shopify tutorial. For example, if I were to go onto my Shopify online store right here, I've set up an exit intent email marketing strategy. Once someone hovers over the icon like they want to come off of my store, you'll see this pop-up appear. And from here, they'll be able to sign up for free shipping or some form of offer. Once they enter their name and email address and then tap on submit, they'll then be caught in my email marketing chain. Now to set this up is quite straightforward when it comes onto Sendvio, and you can use different form of pop-ups and so on. Now the first thing you'll need to do is install the Sendvio app. And by the way, all of this can be done for completely free. You're going to tap on apps from the left hand menu option and you're going to select all recommended apps. Then you're going to select Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top and you're going to type in Sendvio. So let's do that real quick. And you can see it right there. And I want you to install the app. And by the way, you can see right here, you'll be able to reach up to 250 contacts with the free plan, and you'll be able to send over 500 emails per month and up to 150 SMS credit. So you're going to install the app. Once you have done that, you'll tap on open and you'll be redirected to the Sendvio app dashboard. Once on the dashboard, what I want you to do first, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select email campaigns. After selecting email campaigns, from here you could tap on create email campaign in the top right hand corner and you can choose the template or the type of campaign that you want. So you could select email type and you can select the email type, whether it be discount code, promotion or holidays. You can select whichever one of these options. Now let's say for example I were to select this option right here. You can see how it looks and you'll tap on select. After selecting select, from there you can adjust it. So we could select logo and you could edit the logo. You can also scroll down and you could edit each section. You could change the image right there if you want. And you could change the percentage off if you want. So instead of it being 40%, we could change it to, for example, 30%. And then right where you see add discount code, you can tap right there and then you could create your discount code. To create a discount code, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to open discounts in a new tab and you can tap on add discount in the top right hand corner and you can choose the type of discount that you'd like to give off. For example, you can give a percentage off, you can give buy X get Y, amount off order, or free shipping. You can choose whichever option. So let's say for example we were to select amount of products and then we're just going to tap on generate random code and you can select the amount that you would like to give off. So we'll say 30%. Then we can select the specific products that we'd like to give the percentage off or the specific collection. After doing that, you can scroll down. If you like them to spend a minimum amount before they can get this, you can choose that, but we'll just leave it as is. Then we're going to tap on save discount. After you have saved the discount, you would copy the discount code, then go back into Sendvio and you're going to tap on add discount, and from there you can tap on use a discount code that I have already created and you're just going to paste in the code right there. After you have added in your code, you can continue editing by scrolling down. You can make different changes as you can see right there. You could also choose the particular products that you would like to be added. So you could select the products manually or you can leave it as is and it will automatically add the bestsellers to your list. Once you're finished doing this, you're going to tap on save template in the top right hand corner, or you can choose to send a test email if you want. So we're going to tap on save template. After the template has been saved, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and from there you can tap on pop-ups. After selecting pop-ups, you're going to tap on create pop-up and you can choose the type of pop-up that you would like to create. Whether it is one that I had shown you earlier with exit intent, or you'd like to create a welcome message pop-up, you can choose that, or exit intent from the shopping cart page. You can choose whichever option. Let's say, for example, we were to select welcome message. After selecting welcome message, you can scroll down and you can edit the workflow. So you can see right here, it triggers after they have been scrolling for 70 seconds. You can edit that. For example, you could tap on edit in the top right hand corner and you could select triggers, and then you can add condition. So you can add condition right there, whether it be persons from a particular country, a particular time, the page scrolling, display your pop-up when page scrolling is detected. You could do that. You can add different conditions, as you can see right there. You can also add conditions for what type of device you like the pop-up to be displayed on. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can select the pop-up template that you would like to appear. So you can see different pop-up templates right here. So let's say, for example, we would like this one. You can select the template and you could edit the template to your liking. You could add your own personal touches to it. Then you'll tap on save. After saving it, you're going to scroll down, so that will be the first pop-up that will appear. After the pop-up has appeared, let's say the person has signed up. What you'll need to do next is add the email that you'd like to send to them. So you're going to tap on select email template, and from there we could use a template that we have created. So we'll tap on my template in the top right hand corner, and we're going to select our template, and we'll just tap on select right there. After selecting your template, you'll simply tap on Save Template in the top right hand corner. Once you have saved the template to the workflow, all you'll need to do now is scroll back up and tap on Turn on Workflow. After turning on the workflow, what I want you to do next, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you're going to tap on Customize. And then from there, you'll go over to the top left-hand corner and select App Embeds. This is the third icon in the top left-hand corner. And you're going to toggle on Sendvio Pop-Up. Once you have toggled on Sendvio Pop-Up, you're going to tap on Save in the top right-hand corner. And your pop-up will now be active. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to set up an email campaign for free on Shopify. Thanks for watching.